Hi, I'm Beau McCrory. I am from Plainview, Texas, which is a very small town in the northern panhandle area of Texas. I came to the Gulfcoast Ultrasound Institute in order to take an advanced course in emergency ultrasound. This course has been outstanding in its application in the emergency environment, and I feel like it will be truly practice-changing moving forward. The hands-on scanning sessions are amazing. Number one, they're on real people. Two is that we are in very small groups from other individuals who have taken other courses at other locations, not to be ugly, but they do not have the instructor-to-student ratio that is available here at this facility. Furthermore, these instructors are all very well seasoned and could easily teach a functional anatomy class standalone without any assistance at all. If you're even hesitant, somewhere on the fence about whether or not you should be attending this class, then my question for you is how can you practice medicine moving forward into the 21st century without such skills and such benefits as this class will allow you to have?